Hey KMS Comanches, welcome to another school year. I am Trish Rapp, I am your science department head, and we're going to go and see and check out what our science teachers have been doing to get ready for your new school year. So come on with me. This is one of our science classrooms. It's a lab, and we're going to check out to see what they've been doing to get ready for us. Miss Leesman looks like she's got a lab going on today. Let's see what we can find out. Here's a lab station. What do you notice could be wrong with this picture? Right, here we have Miss Powers. Miss Powers, would you stand up for me, please? Right, Miss Powers is wearing goggles, safety apron, gloves, and closed-toed shoes. This is expectation when you're in lab.
Hey, Mina, what's up with this?
Like my outfit?
No, stand up. You need to fix your goggles.
What?
On your face. You're not a superhero. You do not have the cape. Let's get the apron going. And do you have any other shoes? Because these are not closed-toed.
At home?
Well, then I'm going to have to ask you to do an alternative assignment.
Come on, but just your shoes.
They're not closed-toed. I don't want to send you to the nurse with an acid burn. No.
Look, they fit. They fit.
Okay, well, that's lovely, and I'm sure that the plastic sock is going to be nice and sweaty by the end of the day, but you are going to have to leave.
Please be prepared and ready to go on lab days. Let's check out another station. Ladies, no cell phones. What can you see wrong with this picture?
What was one of the major rules in our lab safety situation?
I have a game later. I got a carb load.
Well, you're going to have to do that outside of class. So now I get to call home and tell them that you have broken the rules of the lab. Why do we have a cell phone in the lab?
I really wanted to get on Snapchat.
Well, we're not Snapchatting. And this, what is this? Is this water or some sort of drink?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's not allowed in the lab either. Wow, 2 phone calls. Okay, well, y'all need to fix this. We'll go from there.
Thanks, Miss Newton, and thanks, Miss Graham, for making sure you're safe in the lab. Okay, so in lab station, you always want to follow the rules. No food, no drink, and no cell phones. And we have our next station. See if you can determine what could be wrong at this area.
Okay, first of all, this is a spill, which needs to be taken care of immediately. And you don't put your nose over the beaker, you waft. Because you don't want, you don't want to burn your nasal passages or your esophagus. Nurse Julie doesn't want to see you in the office. There you go, very good. You also, you're not following the instructions because they're on the floor.
They're boring.
But that's all part of being safe in the lab.
All right, so in lab, you want to always make sure you're following your instructions. And be sure if you don't know what to do that you ask your teacher. Good job, Ms. Draysky.
Thank you.
Cleaning up after lab. We have downspouts on our faucets, so don't turn them on quick because they'll make a mess. Turn them on slowly so that you can clean up properly, quickly, and safely.
Remember when measuring, this is not used to measure anything. All it is it's a bump stop in case you drop it. It keeps the glass from breaking on the table.
Okay, the other thing is this is called a graduated cylinder. Graduated cylinder means it has marks that are measured precisely. So you have marks on here that are at what you're going to use to measure. A beaker, on the other hand, has marks for reference. This is not what you're going to use to measure something. This is just an estimate to tell you approximately how much there is. When you need a precise measurement, you're going to use your graduated cylinder.
You should always know where your fire extinguisher, your fire blanket, and your glass disposal is. Your teacher will know how to operate the fire extinguisher. Fire blanket is just a pull, and then there goes the blanket. And then you have any broken glassware, it needs to go in here after you have informed the teacher. Your teacher will do this.
All right, we're going to show you the proper way to put on your lab aprons. The neck strap should go over your head. You need to take it around you. You'll be working with a partner. Have your partner tie it neatly with a bow. We don't want to knot these because we have to use these after each class. Each student here at KMS will have to use these aprons. So please try to avoid tying them in a knot.
So after handling your goggles, okay, make sure to place your goggles back into the goggle cabinet. So that way we keep them clean and sanitized. Okay, so remember kids, so always remember when you're doing a lab, always have your goggles on.
If anything happens, always tell your teacher first.
Always put away your cell phones when in the lab. Make sure the only thing you bring in your lab is your lab book and your pencil. Everything else is outside.
Okay, safety includes wafting to smell any of the odors that we have in class, and also remember to measure correctly with your beaker or your graduated cylinder.
Always remember when using the sinks, they turn on quickly, so turn them on slow that they don't splatter and make a big mess all over the cabinet.
The lab is not a playground, so we don't have any horseplay.
Remember that chemicals can be dangerous and we want to handle them because we don't know what they are, and make sure you handle all instruments very carefully.
And your safe year. We're gonna have a fun year in lab this year. We all wanna be good and work hard, and we want you guys to work hard too. So make sure that you are using your face safety rules for us. And go.